Like I said in one of my videos, you guys are all roid pokers. I think you guys would share the same needles as well if you had to. Because you're that desperate to be strong like me. But you'll never be as strong as me. You guys can't even fucking overhead press 205. You think just because you bench? If I just concentrated on bench, my bench should be 50 pounds more than it is right now, no problem. But I like to have my shoulder strength. I love being able to pick up way over my body weight and throw it up in the air. I love being able to do that. You think that's easy to do? Do it. Like I said, you guys can't even overhead press 205 and you weigh over 220, some of you? I don't understand. That just tells me you're lazy and your drugs don't work for you. Yes, I think anybody that respects steroids is on steroids or wants to do them. That's what I think. Why don't I respect steroids? Because they're fake. I don't respect fakeness at all, and I never will. You are weak, all of you that take steroids. And you know it too.